Imagine this. Your body is a bustling metropolis. Trillions of citizens work tirelessly, ensuring the city thrives. These citizens are your cells, the fundamental units of life. And just like any city, growth and renewal are essential. This is where cell division comes in. A process more fascinating than any galactic phenomenon. We begin our journey by zooming in on a single cell. Inside, a universe of its own exists. A complex dance of molecules and processes keeps everything running smoothly. But how do these microscopic universes replicate themselves? How do they create identical copies to ensure the survival of the entire organism? Cell division is the extraordinary process by which one cell becomes two. This process is not just a simple splitting. It involves a complex series of steps that ensure each new cell has the right amount of genetic material and cellular components to function properly. It's the foundation of all growth, repair, and reproduction in living organisms. Every living thing, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whale, relies on cell division to grow and maintain their bodies. From the moment we are single-celled embryos to our fully developed selves, cell division is the engine driving our existence. This process starts right after fertilization, where a single cell divides repeatedly to form a complex organism made up of trillions of cells. Think of a child scraping their knee. The body immediately starts a repair process that involves cell division. The wound heals because cells divide, creating new skin cells to replace the damaged ones. This is a perfect example of how cell division is crucial for healing and regeneration. Or consider the growth of a plant from a tiny seed. The seed contains all the genetic information needed to grow into a full plant. It can only do so through continuous cell division. Cell division is the force behind the plant's ability to sprout roots, grow taller, and produce leaves. Each new cell formed contributes to the plant's overall growth and ability to thrive. Without cell division, life as we know it would cease to exist. This process is not only essential for individual growth and repair, but also for the reproduction of species, ensuring that life continues from one generation to the next. It's a fundamental process ensuring the continuation of life on Earth. From the microscopic level to the macroscopic, cell division is the unseen force that sustains the diversity and complexity of life on our planet. Now let's explore the two main types of cell division. Mitosis and meiosis. Imagine mitosis as a photocopying machine. It creates exact replicas of the original cell, ensuring every cell in your body has the same genetic blueprint. This process is crucial for growth and repair. Meiosis, on the other hand, is like shuffling a deck of cards. It's involved in sexual reproduction and creates cells with half the number of chromosomes. These special cells are called gametes, sperm and egg cells in humans. Both mitosis and meiosis are intricate dances with specific steps, ensuring the accurate duplication and distribution of genetic material. Let's break down the stages of mitosis, our cellular photocopying process. Mitosis is essential for growth, development, and tissue repair in multicellular organisms. It ensures that each new cell receives an exact copy of the parent cell's DNA. Imagine a cell preparing to divide like a dancer, getting ready for a performance. Just as a dancer needs to warm up and rehearse, a cell must prepare itself for the complex process of division. This preparation phase is called interphase, where the cell grows and duplicates its DNA. During interphase, the cell also produces the necessary proteins and organelles required for division, ensuring it has all the tools it needs. Next comes prophase, the first official step of mitosis. In this stage, the chromatin fibers condense into distinct chromosomes, making them easier to separate later on. Here, the duplicated DNA condenses into visible chromosomes, like a choreographer gathering dancers into formation. Each chromosome consists of two sister chromatids joined at a region called the centromere. The nuclear envelope, the membrane surrounding the DNA, breaks down, clearing the stage for division. This allows the spindle fibers to attach to the chromosomes, guiding their movement. Metaphase follows, with chromosomes lining up at the cell's equator. This alignment is crucial for the equal distribution of genetic material. Imagine dancers in a perfect line, ready to perform a synchronized routine. The chromosomes are now perfectly positioned for the next phase. This alignment ensures each new cell receives a complete set of chromosomes. The cell then progresses through anaphase and telophase, where the sister chromatids are pulled apart and the cell divides into two new daughter cells, each with an identical set of chromosomes. This precise choreography ensures the continuity of life. The shuffle of life. Meiosis Explained. Meiosis is a fascinating and complex process that plays a crucial role in the continuation of life on Earth. Now, let's delve into the world of meiosis, the cellular process responsible for the incredible diversity of life. This process ensures that each new generation is genetically unique, contributing to the rich tapestry of biological diversity. Remember, meiosis produces gametes, which are specialized cells with half the number of chromosomes compared to regular body cells. These gametes, such as sperm and egg cells in humans, combine during fertilization to create a new organism with a complete set of chromosomes. Meiosis involves two rounds of division, known as meiosis and meiosis II. Each of these stages plays a critical role in reducing the chromosome number and ensuring genetic diversity. In meiosis I, homologous chromosomes, which are pairs of chromosomes carrying similar genetic information, pair up and exchange segments of DNA. This pairing and exchange are essential for genetic variation. This process, called crossing over, is like shuffling genes between two decks of cards, creating new combinations. It ensures that each gamete, and therefore each offspring, has a unique genetic makeup. Meiosis II follows a similar pattern to mitosis, the process of regular cell division, by separating the duplicated chromosomes. However, there are key differences that make meiosis unique. Instead of producing two identical daughter cells, meiosis II results in 4 genetically unique gametes. Each of these gametes contains half the number of chromosomes as the original cell, ensuring that when they combine during fertilization, the resulting organism has the correct number of chromosomes. The genetic diversity produced by meiosis is vital for the survival and evolution of species. It allows populations to adapt to changing environments and resist diseases. Without meiosis, life as we know it would lack the variation necessary for natural selection and evolution. To summarize, meiosis is a two-stage process that reduces the chromosome number by half and introduces genetic diversity through crossing over. This process is fundamental to sexual reproduction and the continuation of life on Earth. Understanding meiosis helps us appreciate the complexity and beauty of biological diversity, when cells misbehave. The Perils of Errors cell division is a remarkably precise process, but, errors can occur. These errors can lead to mutations, changes in the DNA sequence, which can sometimes have detrimental effects. Cancer, for example, is often the result of uncontrolled cell division. When cells lose the ability to regulate their growth and division, they can proliferate uncontrollably, forming tumors and invading other tissues. I encourage you all to watch this video. Understanding the intricacies of cell division and the consequences of errors is crucial for developing new strategies to combat diseases like cancer. The guardians of growth regulating cell division. Fortunately, our cells have sophisticated mechanisms to regulate cell division, ensuring it occurs only when needed. These mechanisms act like checkpoints, monitoring the cell's environment and internal signals to determine if conditions are favorable for division. For instance, cells won't divide if there are insufficient nutrients available or if their DNA is damaged. These checkpoints are crucial for preventing uncontrolled growth and maintaining the integrity of our tissues. These regulatory mechanisms are a testament to the elegance and complexity of life at the cellular level. The grand finale. A recap of cell division. As we conclude our journey into the microscopic universe of cell division, let's recap the key takeaways. Cell division is the fundamental process by which cells replicate, ensuring growth, repair, and reproduction in all living organisms. Mitosis, our cellular photocopying machine, creates identical copies of cells for growth and repair. Meiosis, on the other hand, shuffles the genetic deck, producing gametes for sexual reproduction. We've also explored the consequences of errors in cell division, such as cancer, and the importance of regulatory mechanisms that control this vital process. The universe in perpetual motion. The next time you marvel at the growth of a tree or the healing of a wound, remember the intricate dance of cell division happening at a microscopic level. It's a testament to the power and elegance of life. A universe in perpetual motion, constantly renewing and reinventing itself. From the smallest single-celled organism to the most complex creatures, cell division is the common thread connecting all life on Earth,